Students, we also have a problem of multiple origins and locations, and this could be with a scenario in which we have no intermediate points. So when we say there are no intermediate points between the origin and destination, we are actually looking at the direct shipment model or a transportation model, typical transportation model. So the common applications of this include distribution of manufactured goods from plants to warehouses, supplying customers from warehouses or your manufacturing plants. This type of problem is known as the transportation problem in literature, जिसको typical transportation problem कहा जाता है, वो direct distribution model है, जिसमें where we do not have any intermediate points with us. Then we also have a scenario when we have the intermediate points. So this problem is concerned with optimally distributing the available supply from multiple sources to the demand at various destinations or customer locations with an added flexibility to consolidate or distribute at intermediate locations. So intermediate locations क्या है? These intermediate locations might be my warehouses or cross docks or distribution centers or some terminals where the shipment can be stored for some period of time, and it would actually give the flexibility that it would be it can be time-based distribution. The distribution can be held for some period of time, and when it is required, it would be delivered to the end customer. These type of models in literature are actually known as transshipment models. So some of the origins and destinations may also serve as the intermediate points. It can happen on a network, on a big network for some transportation system. And these type of problems are actually known as transshipment models in literature. So either for a multiple region and locations, we can have either a typical transportation model, and we can also have a transshipment model with us. Thank you.